my gut. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. I'll take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle so bad, like in the movies or the dreams. You're like in the movies or the dreams. Oh, I should've known. Should've let you go. Oh, I should've known. Should've let you go. Oh, I should've known. Should've let you go. But I wanted to fall in love so bad. Like in the movies or the dreams. You're like in the movies or the dreams. Got me looking all rough, got me losing my toughness. Break the spell, let me tell you. Every single night it's a lucid light. He's a bit like James Dean's silky hair. If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell. I'm not joining a race. I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and far, lucid light. He taught me to be me. It's the difference, not the distance. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. Whatever they do, we can do it better. They can play well, but we foretell. Yes, we foretell. There's no heaven, there's no hell. Oh, 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 oh. Kill the church bell. We are silent, not unwell. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we
We're finished. As you have seen the title of the video, you may know that these are bag ends. I was asked by somebody if I could make these, so I thought I would I would challenge myself and give it a go. I kind of reverse engineered them from this picture. I think they look pretty close to the picture. Not exactly the same, but 80% there. As I'd never seen anything like them before, I gave it a go. here's a picture, the only picture I could find of a finished bag, and it's only half of a bag, but you get the idea. It's a kind of knitted sheet which is actually sewn into the wooden ends, so they would go like that. What I'm going to do is get the person to finish the bag and send me a picture so I could post it on my Instagram account, so you can have a look at the actual finished project after they finished it. As well as making the bag ends, you will see behind me a bit of a change. I've taken a couple of weeks, the last couple of weeks, to make some storage for my tools. I've done a circular saw, a multi-tool, the jigsaw, random orbital sander, sanding disc, router bits, drill storage. This bit hasn't really changed apart from the nailer. I've now got my kind of chisels, my carving chisels, and another set of chisels, all looking better now. Spoke shaves over there. I've got a couple of little bits here and there that I need to change, but it's a vast difference. I've now got, this is now getting freed up, which I'll probably use for my sander and grinder, get them in a permanent place. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram, also on Facebook. Definitely got a website that I will be updating when I've got the full finished bag picture. But as you can see, they do look really good. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment below. Subscribe. That'd be nice. It's been really nice to see you, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Ta-da.